Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we will continue with our Draw course and the alphabet series. We are going to complete mission number 11, which is to draw an alphabet A. So let's get started. Let's use Place Pen and turn the head of the robot to 23 degrees. You can zoom it in using this magnifying icon, and you will see the robot, and you can also change the alignment of view of the screen. So here we can move it, and now using turn right 23 degrees, we can just move it in this direction. Next, in order to move it and draw something, we will have to use this. Now let us try to figure out how many steps do we need. First of all, as I said, you need to make sure that you are zooming it in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8, then turn right by. Now again, we will make sure that we turn it right 137 degrees. After that, we will make sure that we are making it move forward again, and again the same number of steps will be there, 8. Then we will make sure that it moves backward so that it can draw this one line. So moving backward will help me by 4, and once it reaches there we will be using turn right, which will again be 110. And the final one is going to be move forward by 3 pixels. So let's get started. Let's click on green button and let's wait for it to complete the tracing. It's going forward, then turning right after turning right, moving forward by 8 to 6 steps. Then moving backward by 4 steps, turning right by 110 degrees and forward 3, and voila, we have successfully completed this level. Hope you liked this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to CodeRobo for more interesting coding and robotic videos.